Alright, so at this point you're in a Zoom meeting with your teacher and classmates, and you know how to change your background, you know how to unmute yourself and mute yourself, you know how to start and stop your video. There's another feature here called the chat, and down here at the bottom all you got to do is click on the chat button, and on the side the group chat will pop up. Sometimes your teacher will put information in there, maybe a link to a document that you need to work on for an assignment. Other times you'll be able to ask questions. As you see our chat here, it's kind of filled up with some questions and some conversation. And this is a very important way to communicate back with your teacher and other classmates. Now, there's another thing that you can do to react to your teacher. Your teacher might say, give me a thumbs up if you understand this thing, and then you'd give a thumbs up. It will pop up on your screen up here. Another thing that you may be able to do at times, if your teacher allows it, is share your screen. All you got to do is click the button. If your teacher allows it, then something like this will pop on, and you'll click which screen you want to share. Okay. Another thing that you might see is something called breakout rooms, and our teacher, Ms. Kavala here, will send us to a breakout room right now so that we can see that. As she sends us, it'll say join. We'll click that button. It'll send us to a separate room with possibly different people. I'm in here by myself right now, but as you can see, there are some of the same options in here, but what might happen is we don't know what we're doing in this breakout room. There wasn't clear instruction. We are going to click the Ask for Help button, and it'll give us an option to invite our teacher. Now, if our teacher can make it in, she'll pop in here and answer our question. As you can see, she didn't come, but she sends us a message. Oh, there's our instructions. The student with the shortest hair will go first. So we know that we're maybe talking with other students, and now we've gotten our instruction. Now, there's also a chat in here that we can see the big chat, so if our teacher gives us any information in there, we can see it. But also we can type new messages in this chat that only the people in this room will have access to. It won't be seen on the main chat. So that's that. If I want to leave this room, I'm going to click the Leave Room button. Sometimes your teacher will end the room and say you have a minute left or something like that, and a countdown timer will pop up here. So that's how you do a breakout session, and when we're all done with the breakout session, we're finished and we want to go back to the main chat room, we're going to click this Leave Breakout Room. Make sure you don't click the Leave Meeting button, because that'll kick you out of the meeting and you might not be able to get back in depending on the settings of your class that your teacher has set. So here's our breakout room. Will close in 8 seconds. If I don't do anything, when this timer expires, it will kick you out automatically. So be mindful of that. It's going to put us back in the main session, and we're going to maximize our window. We're back, and that's how you do